Welcome back, guys, to our Level Up series. Let us look at today's question. Today's question is minimum cost to hire K workers. So let me read the question. The question says, we are having N workers and we are given with two integer arrays, quality and wage. Where quality at the index of I is the quality of the ith worker and the wage at the index of I is the minimum wage expectation for the ith worker. What we need to do is we want to hire exactly K workers to form a paid group. And to hire a group of K workers, we must pay them according to the following rules. This is the main condition which you should know. Every worker in the paid group should be paid in the ratio of their quality compared to other workers in the paid group. And the second condition is that every worker in the paid group must be paid at least their minimum wage expectation. So what is this minimum wage expectation? This is given to us in this wage array. We are given with an integer k, we need to return the least amount of money which is needed to form a paid group satisfying the above conditions. So see the question. We are given with the quality and we are given with the wage. We want to hire exactly two workers. So the very first condition is we can hire first and second worker, we can hire first and third worker, or we can hire the second and third worker. We have three choices. So we need to hire in such a way such that the least amount of money is needed to hire the workers. So suppose if we are hiring the 0th worker whose quality is 10. So see, in 10 quality, his wage expectation is 70. The first condition says every worker in the paid group should be paid in the ratio of the quality compared to other workers in the paid group. So if for 10 quality 10, he is being paid wage 70. So see, for quality 20, how much wage should be paid to the second worker? It should be double, right? It should be 140. And for third one, if his quality is 5, so how much wage should be paid to him? 10 is, what is the ratio? For 10, we are paying 70. So for a 5, we should pay 35. 35 is greater than 30, so it is above its minimum wage. So we will pay 35. So the least amount of money which can be formed is 70 plus 35, which comes out to be 105. So this will be our answer. If we will take any other combination, if we will take second and third, or we will take first and second, it will be above 105. So we need to return the least amount. So we have the output will be 105. In the similar way, we will do the second one. So what is the first thing? First thing is this condition. Every worker in the paid group should be paid in the ratio of the quality compared to other workers. So we will maintain this ratio. So for that, we have written the code. See the condition. First of all, we have computed the size of this quality array. We have defined one variable sum. We have taken it as double because there are chances it can be it in decimals as well. In example number 2, if we will observe, it is in the decimals. We have initialized our answer as a result, and we have taken the maximum value initially. Then we made one declared one vector double details. In the details, what we are pushing is wage at the index of 5 divided by double quality at the index of 5. So this is for maintaining the ratio. For this much amount of wage, see for in example number 1, what is the quality? It was 10. What is the wage? It was 70. So 70 divided by 10, that is 7. So for one quality, we have to pay 7 rupees, 7 wage. So this, for maintaining the ratio, we have pushed it in our array, wage at the index of 5 divided by double quality at the index of 5. This will ensure? This will ensure that the answer is in variable double. If both wage at the index of 5 and quality at the index of 5 is in integers, so we will get the output as integer. Suppose wage is 4, quality is 3. So we will get the output as 1. But we want the output as 1.33. So that's why at least one of the variables should be in double. So that is why we have done the conversion over here. And we have pushed the quality at the index of 5. Then we have sorted the details array. Why we have sorted the details array? We have sorted the details array because what does the question says? The second condition was every worker in the paid group must be paid at least their minimum wage expectation. So for maintaining this particular condition, we have sorted the details array so that whatever wage we will calculate, it should be above the minimum wage. Then we have declared one max heap, that is priority queue int PQ. This will ensure that maximum number is on the top of the stack. As we know, the elements are stored in the form of a stack and priority queue. So at the top, we will have the maximum one. That's why we have declared the maxi. Then we have pushed details at the index of I dot second, which is this quality parameter we have pushed in a priority queue. We have added it to our sum. If the size is greater than k, so we will eliminate the topmost element. That is why sum minus is equals to pq dot top, and then we'll pop it out. Because we want to hire exactly k workers. If pq dot size double equals to k, then we will store the minimum one. Result equals to min of result, comma, sum into details at the index of I dot first. What is this ensuring? This is ensuring the total amount of wages. In example number 1, it was 70 plus 35. So this sum into details at the index of I dot first will ensure this thing. How it will ensure? See, uh, what it was, 70 divided by 10. It comes out to be 7. So what will be our sum? Our sum will be is equals to 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 into 7 comes out to be 105. So sum into details at the index of I dot first will store the amount. And we will take the minimum amount and store it in a result variable. Once the loop get completed, we will return the result. I hope the question is clear to you all. In case the code is very much self-explanatory as well. So we will share the code in the description box as well. So if the video question is clear to you all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.